If you're a beginner and you are serious about starting an online business or making money over the internet, I want you to sit back, relax, take your time, and then watch this video to the very end. We're going to talk about avenues you can actually make money with over the internet. Avenues that are reliable and that are stable and also very profitable. Now, there are so many avenues on the internet, many platforms that will promise you that they can help you make money online. But the truth is, you are not making money because most of these platforms are not true. All right. Before we get into the details of this particular video, I want to advise you that as a beginner, you should stay away from all the get-rich-quick schemes that are here on the internet. First of them is cryptocurrencies and then forex trading. Now, although forex trading works fine, cryptocurrencies work fine, but if you're a beginner, you need to relax and go through a process that is more stable, more profitable. Then once you have an active income stream, you can divert to these things. Also, in this video, we are not going to talk about online surveys, online task platforms, because they are not reliable. You cannot rely on these platforms as a source of income. I'm going to open up 5 different avenues that you can make money. If you're in Africa, right here in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, wherever you find yourself, you can benefit from these 5 avenues. But put in your mind, these are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are things you need to sit your butt down, learn, work on them, and they will become stable avenues or stable online income streams for you. If you are new here, my name is Jeremy. I talk about how you can make money over the internet and how you can actually put this internet to a productive use. Now, let's get into the details of today's video. Number 1 on the list is freelancing. Now, over the internet, freelancing simply means that providing services to individuals or companies over the internet and getting paid for those services that you deliver to them. I know you've heard a lot about freelancing. Some may ask if freelancing really works, but trust me, I learned web design many years ago, about 7-8 years ago, and up until today, people pay me for the skills of web design. I build websites, I charge them even without seeing them in person. All right. So if you want to make money online, one of the things you can consider that is going to provide you an active income stream is freelancing. Now, there are some skills you can tap into when you enter the area of freelancing. For example, many people are paid online to design logos and flyers. This means that you watching me as a beginner, you can take at least 2 weeks or even 4 weeks over the internet and then learn how to design graphics, which could be logos and then flyers for businesses. And many people are willing to pay for such services. Same way you can learn video editing. There are so many people that have learned video editing with YouTube and now they are getting paid. Some getting paid in dollars because foreigners are going to hire you to edit their videos like what you are watching now, and then they will pay you for you to edit those videos for them. Alright, you can learn web design as well. You can learn content writing. Now the good part of freelancing is that the skill you will learn live with you forever. You can learn search engine optimization, so many things you can learn. Alright, but these things I've mentioned, about 5 of them, are things that are selling, especially for website design. Imagine if you charge even $100 to build website for people. It means that as a freelancer, when you sit at the comfort of your home with your laptop, you can design at least 10 websites in a month and you can make $1,000 from home. Now, this is a no-brainer. Okay, this is something that a lot of people are already doing. If you go on platforms like Fiverr, on platforms like Upwork, on freelancer.com, you will see that people are taking orders, hundreds of orders for web design every single day. They are delivering this project, charging $500, $300, $400 for a single project. This means that if you also are serious about making money over the internet, you need to acquire that skill so that people can pay you for your services. So that is freelancing. Now, if you're a beginner, one tip I will give you is that Fiverr, freelancer.com, Upwork, and the big freelancing platforms may be saturated. So you can actually put your focus on various social platforms. Engage with people on LinkedIn, businesses on LinkedIn, professionals on LinkedIn. Talk to them about your skill and let them know you want to create a website for them. Now, if you have time and you send 100 messages to individuals on social media platforms, definitely you will get even 1%, or at least 2% of them contacting you back. That is 1 or 2 out of the 100 contacting you back for the service that you want to offer to them. All right. On Facebook, there are so many Facebook groups for entrepreneurs, businesses that you can join and then advertise your skill in web design over there, or your skill in anything you have learned. It could be video editing, whatsoever. When you start this and you're able to stabilize this freelancing skill, okay, you know that for sure every month if you are getting gigs, you are going to make stable income. Your income does not depend on anyone, but it depends on the amount of job you were able to get and the amount of jobs you were able to do in a month. This way, you are sure that you have a skill that will bring you some good amount of money from the internet every single month. Number 2 on our list is content creation. Now, a lot of people have talked about content creation. I know you've seen a lot of content creators out there, but you're asking whether or not this is something you can do. Instead of chasing the get rich quick schemes, I want you to relax, sit your butt down, and then focus on content creation. It is the easiest way to start an online business that is profitable because you don't spend anything. You can start with a mobile phone. You don't need fancy equipment to start content creation. The only thing that may be stopping you is yourself. All right. So assuming that you are able to start a YouTube channel and you're able to monetize this YouTube channel, YouTube is paying you. We have something we call the CPM. So YouTube is paying you for every 1,000 people that are watching this video you are making on YouTube. If you are home and you are starting an online business about content creation and your content is on YouTube, trust me, your job is to make sure you shoot the content, you teach what you can teach, you talk about what you think you can talk about, and then YouTube's job is to pay you for the views you are getting. Alright, so you put your efforts in creating the content, promoting the content, and getting paid by YouTube. There are so many avenues you can also get paid for the content you will post out there. Now on TikTok, you can also post content on TikTok. You can do same on Facebook because Facebook is now paying. So instead of getting into the get rich quick schemes, registering for all the platforms, wasting your time everywhere else, one thing you can decide to do is start your own YouTube channel, start putting content out there. Even if you don't want to use your face, okay, you can start by creating AI content or even taking content elsewhere, modifying them, then editing them slightly to post in a platform. A mobile app like InVideo or CapCut can help you to do this very easily. While it may look cumbersome in the beginning, when it picks, you are definitely going to enjoy from the effort you've put into content creation. Anything that is worth having is worth struggling for. So number 2 on our list is content creation. The third thing I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. I'm sure you've also heard about affiliate marketing, but the truth is, you think it may not work. Trust me, I'm putting this on the screen for you to see a screenshot of revenues from affiliate marketing. Now, you can make money by promoting other people's products and getting commissions from those products, just as you can see on your screen. So how does affiliate marketing work? All you have to do is identify something. It could be a service or a product that you think a lot of people may need. Now, you have to find the audience for that product. On social media like Facebook groups and all of that, you can post these products there. When people actually follow the product link to buy the product, you get your commissions paid to you. This is like a lazy man's approach, but it is more reliable because there are even affiliate programs that pay you recurring income, which means you let one person come on board and anytime they pay money, you get commissions automatically. There are so many affiliate marketing platforms you can tap into. All right, I'll be leaving some of the links in the description of this particular video. What you need to understand that affiliate marketing is also not a get-rich-quick scheme. It means you need to learn about it, you need to read about it. You need to make sure you take your time to find the right products and services. Let's take an example like Amazon. If you go online, on Amazon there are so many things you can actually promote and Amazon will pay you commissions. Signing up for Amazon's associate program is free. You just create a free account, get access to all the Amazon products. It could be television, equipment, it could be gadgets, it could be anything. It could be books, it could be kids books, it could be anything. All right, so anything that you think you can promote from Amazon. Once you take the images, you get a link, you promote on your social platforms. It could be Facebook groups, it could be WhatsApp groups. When people proceed to buy from Amazon, Amazon pays you commission. So this is something that is risk-free, and then you are sure that if you learn and understand it properly, It means you can be making money from Amazon continuously. All right. So if you are serious about making money over the internet, you need to bypass all of the get rich quick schemes and focus on something like affiliate marketing. One tip I can give you is when you go on the various social media platforms, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, search for products. Anything you want to promote, search for it on the social platform. You will see other pages that are already promoting this product. If you see the pages, you have to mimic what they are doing. As far as somebody is already doing it, it means it's working for them. So you don't have to reverse the wheel. You have to just follow what people are doing, then do the same thing. All right. So affiliate marketing is our third point as far as you making money or starting an online business is concerned. Now, if all these three things that I've mentioned look a lot for you, number 4 on our list is something you should be able to do, whether you want to show your face or you don't even want to show your face at all. So number 4 on our list is online tutoring or coaching. All right. If you go through the freelancing program and you learn how to write articles, which ChatGPT can teach you in just 3 days, you learn how to write articles for blogs. There are people that also want to learn how to write articles, just like you were looking for in the beginning. So once you are able to learn something on the internet, you can start teaching people. Imagine posting on a social media page right now that you are doing a free training on Google Meeting this evening, teaching people how they can write articles for blogs and make money with it. You will have a lot of your friends joining that free training. All right. So if you're able to learn web design the same way, lots of people want to join and then learn the web design skills you have. Even though you're not a professional, the basics you know, people still want to learn. If it is video editing, people want to learn. Even if you've learned how to design logos and flyers with Canva, people want to learn. So once you have learned the skill, okay, as a freelancer from the beginning, you have the opportunity to teach other people and charge them something little. Assuming you went on to YouTube, you spent 2 weeks, every day, 2 hours every day, for 2 weeks, you learned how to build any kind of website with WordPress. Now, you can buy domain, you can host it, you can build a website, whether it's a blog, it's a company site, or even e-commerce. This means if you set up a Google Meeting teaching people how to build websites, even if it's a 3 days class, it's a 1 week class, and you have 10 people joining, and assuming you are charging just $20, that is $200 from a skill you learned from the internet for free, you can go ahead and teach them. Ask yourself, why would people want to learn from you? The reason being that they know you've put in the work to learn the skill elsewhere, and they believe that you can teach them better than they will learn on their own if they go to do the research. Not everyone can even do a research on their own as far as they learning a skill is concerned. People that are in your network are willing to spend money if you can go ahead and get into the business of online tutoring and teaching them how to do basic things over the internet. There are people that are even willing to pay you to teach them how to type, okay, over the internet. So there are so many things you can learn in the freelancing area, and you can benefit from it at a number 4 point, which is online tutoring or coaching. Listen, one tip you need to put in mind is that when you have your first set of students, that is where you will understand the things people want to learn. And you can fine-tune your curriculum or your list of topics you want to teach these people that are coming closer for the programs. So always give something out for free to be able to understand what these students of yours really want to learn. And then you can have a business model in online coaching or online tutoring, which can become an income source for you as well. So this is point number 4 on our list of avenues you can actually build a profitable business through. Digital products and print on demand is the last on our list for avenues you can build profitable businesses with. Now, I love digital products for one thing. Among the list of things we've mentioned, digital products is the easiest way to build a passive income stream. All right, it's a passive income stream because if you are able to take your time as you are watching this video, if you're able to take your time and then even record a video like this and talk about something, or the easiest way, if you're able to take your time, sit with AI or ChatGPT and then write a book with ChatGPT, okay, and that ebook you're able to put it on a platform where digital products are being sold. You will sell every single day without having to do something over and over again. Assuming, let's go into context, we write a book on internet businesses or a book on maybe courses or career opportunities young people can choose in Africa. Just anything that we think is an interesting topic. In one of my videos, I spoke about a book on how to break free from addiction. All right. So assuming we write a book on how to break free from addiction, and this book has a nice cover because I told you to learn graphic design with Canva in the earlier topics. So if you're able to design a nice cover for this book, you're able to get your PDFs together, and you're able to put this book on a platform like seller.co. Okay, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Now, the advantage is when the book is on seller.co, it's a big place. People are coming there to buy other books, and they may see yours, and they can go ahead and buy it. If you are selling this book for even 50 cedis or $5, it means that people can buy the book over and over again. Forever and ever, you can sell that book to people. So digital products is something you can actually really get into. If you do a baking course, if you do anything, you can resell it. Okay, sell it over and over. While you sleep, people are online searching for how to break free from addiction, and your book is what they may land on and then buy. If you don't want to take time to do digital products, you can do a course. All right, you can do a course that is recorded, and people can access the course anytime they want, and then pay you for that particular course. The same way you use seller.co for the ebook, you can use seller.co to also sell your video course. Now, if you've not learned a digital skill or you've not learned an online skill, you can even teach common skills, right? How to speak, how to bake, how to cook, and virtually how to do anything, even how to drink water. There are so many people searching online on how to do some of these things, some of the basic things that you are able to do. All right, so the only thing that is stopping you right now is yourself. All of these 5 avenues I've mentioned are reliable avenues you can start, you can build on, and they'll become profitable online income streams for you. Let me know in the comment section which of these 5 avenues is your favorite, and if you want me to do an in-depth video on any of the 5 topics that I've talked about, I'll actually go ahead and do the video for you as well. Let me know any questions you may have as far as making money over the internet is concerned, and I will be glad to answer those ones for you. That will be all for today, and I will see you in the next one.